Hey guys, I'm here with another Mystery Tackle Box review, the Mystery Tackle Box Elite Inshore, and so we're going to check it out. Alright, let's cut through this. Here's what we got. Alright, so we got the Bagley Rattling Finger Mullet, 11. It's balsa. It's out of balsa wood. That's cool. Sounds pretty cool. What else we got? Hyperlastics, minnow. So it's got a jig head. That actually looks pretty darn cool. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. Works in the same way of a Rage Swimmer, I guess. That looks sick. Oh man, I can't wait to use those. What else we got? We got this thing is a beast of a lure. It's top water. Top water slider TS-115 performs a wider side-to-side walking action while maintaining the castability. 3 number 4 premium treble hooks included with the feather at the tail will help you boat more fish. That's sick. What else we got? We've got, oh, that's my, I'm going to use these first out of everything. Hopefully I can get a video out with a catch with these. Savage Gear 3D bait fish paddle tail. As soon as I pulled them out, I knew they were going to be hitting. Oh my gosh. Guys, I recommend you try to find this online. These guys just feel like they're going to catch something. Oh. What else we got? Oh. Man, these guys are sending me out some good stuff. Spot On Twin Turbo. Bro, this thing floats and it's kind of like a whopper plopper for saltwater. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see the design on this? This is long. The Spot On Twin Turbo really exceeded our expectations. This powerful top water bait has a unique pattern design that makes it irresistible to surface feeding predators. The wide profile and lifelike fish pattern body paired with realistic eyes make this hard target for bass, snook, perch, redfish, pike, and sea bass to resist. The wide head creates a wake on the surface whilst the twin propellers move independently of each other. Oh my gosh. So this is like a saltwater whopper poplar on steroids, man. One running clockwise, the other running counterclockwise to create unique fish attracting sound combined with the low frequency internal sound chamber. The Spot On Twin Turbo announces its presence like no other lure. Super easy to fish. It pops whatever speed you retrieve. Because the twin propeller blades turn in opposing directions, the lure keeps its stability. No matter how fast or slow you retrieve it, the super tough semi-soft propellers fold flat against this body when casting, creating less resistance. Anyway, this is literally they're not going to give me a price on this, are they? But I'm going to have to look up the price. This thing is amazing. They've really done it this time. They've hooked me up. Alright, looks like we got salt native shrimp. The skelly shrimp. From Salt Native. It, obviously it's a weighted hook. And that's meant for, close to bottom fishing. Cast it out there and just slow retrieve, jig it. Skelly shrimp is carefully crafted, authentic shrimp imitator. It features a jointed rear, added mesh body layer, and lifelike tail to imitate a salty predator's favorite forage. Designed in collaboration with Florida native and expert inshore angler Lawson Lindsay. The Skelly shrimp comes pre-rigged with a keel-weighted hook, ready to be fished right out the package by the Catch Company. That is beautiful. What else we got? We got Rand saltwater. What looks like to be shrimp. Spicy root beer. I'm not going to read it. You guys can pause it if you guys want to read it. Give you enough time. Alright. Put those on some jig heads. And finally, we got Prism Titanium Pro Series hooks. So you could probably put those shrimp on these and you probably put these on these and let that slowly sink to the bottom. Do it weightless. Of course, you might have to do it slack tied, but I don't know, man. Mystery Tackle Box is setting me up. This box is really hooked up. I'm impressed. I'm happy. Now, here's the prices of what I got. The Weston Spot On Twin Turbo. It was $18 for that lure. $18 for that lure. I knew it was going to be a great lure. T-Mark saltwater sliders for $7.90, and the bait fish paddle tail was $9, of course. Wow. And they sent me a Catch Company deer hunting fishing sticker. That's pretty cool. That's going somewhere. Oh man. Alright guys, they really hooked me up in this box. I'm really impressed. 5 out of 5 star rating. I have to give them a really good rating. This is really good box. So I have another box coming out pretty soon, and I'll let you guys know how that goes, obviously. The freshwater. And yeah, I haven't really been fishing too much. I'll get out there eventually. And I promise before the year ends, I'll make, I got you with you guys. I got you guys with a good video. So, yeah, man, fishing for greatness.